Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Netflix has announced that they'll be doing a five-part time true documentary series, which will be focusing and sharing the insight into what happened that night when South African soccer player Senzo was gunned down in what was alleged to be a robbery that had gone wrong back in 2014, you guys. The series is expected to feature exclusive interviews from sports presenter Robert Marawa, former Hawks head Shadrack Sibia, and some of Senzo Moyiwa's family members who will provide an inside look into the late Senzo's death. You guys, Kelly Khumalo's younger sister, Zandile Khumalo, was interviewed today by the Daily Sun about the documentary, and this is what he had to say. I don't think there's anything a documentary can do to help the situation. It's people just making money out of an unfortunate situation, and I don't need to clear my name for anything. Nobody approached me. No feelings really. I don't even know what it's really about. So it's hard for me to feel anything. All I'm hoping is that my name won't be on the docky without my consent, because then I'll have a problem. However, my management did get in touch with Netflix management about that part. I will await feedback from them. Now, you guys do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe. I will definitely see you on my next commentary. Thank you so much. Bye.